front of me here mini shotgun F connectors that are available on the tvtrade.ie website. Now they're available basically in bags of 100 and individually in ones, okay? Now a very important point about this is that they can only be used in conjunction with mini shotgun cable, such as what I have here in front of me, okay? So the point about this is that ordinary RG6 cable would be used generally, we'll say, for the wiring houses, etc., has an outer diameter of 6.2 millimeters, where this cable here, if we look at it carefully, has an outer diameter of each part of it here of 4.8 millimeters. So obviously we need to use a far smaller connector in terms of the internal diameter, and so they're not interchangeable between the two. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to turn over this connector here. We can see with the top part of the connector, it looks like a standard F connector. But if we look at the base here, which is going to turn over now, see, although the outer dimension is the same, it has a much smaller internal diameter, okay? But it actually makes this a very strong connector simply because the casing is so thick. So what I'm going to do now is just give a demonstration of how we'd fit this on securely onto some shotgun cable. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to pick up the snips here, and first of all just cut through the outer sheet here, which we have here. So we cut all the way around, and then we just make an incision down the center, which will just allow us to strip back this cable. Okay, so what we'll do here is just pull that off. Now we pull back the outer braiding, which we see here. And also then we have this foil here. So what I'll do here initially is just cut off this foil. This is access to requirements. So that's snip there. And then some of this braiding here is access to requirements as well. So we'll just give it a little bit of a haircut here. And there. So it's not really causing an issue. And I just wrap it in a relatively clockwise direction. Or anti-clockwise direction here, sorry. So what I'll do here is I just come along here. Now, how much dielectric to use? Well, we want mainly, for most of the length of this, it's simply to be sliding over the dielectric. So we want the dielectric to be virtually the whole length of the connector, and only for it to really be getting a tight grip at the base here. And it'll just make putting on the mini F connector much easier. So just snip here, snip here again. So that's it. So I'll just twist this again. So I come along, I just get the F connector here, and once again I twist this, if you look from the front, in a clockwise direction, and I just twist it on. And what we need to do is just flicking over, and what we really want to do is achieve what we have here, where the actual dielectric in the center here is just level exactly with the base of the F connector, at the top of the F connector here. And what we'll do then is with the snips is we just cut off the excess here, like that there, okay? So that's actually very secure in position there. You can see you can just tug it there and it doesn't come off. So so these actually give very good connection on the shotgun things. So the mini F connectors we sell work extremely well with the shotgun mini F connector, or mini cable that we're selling as well. So that's it anyway, an overview of the mini shotgun F connectors that are available on tvtrade.ie.